So check naman natin tong ating protective cases for Insta360 Ace Pro 2 action camera. So yung number 1 is the silicone one. Ano yung pros and cons nito? Hindi siya bulky. And also meron na rin siyang lens protector. Ang cons niya dito is wala siyang mount dito for vertical framing, for portrait shots. And sometimes dinidikitan din siya ng mga dusts. So, ayan. Pero portability-wise, this is the most portable one. Ito naman, horizontal and vertical protective frame. So, this is from Amagzin din. Pwede natin ikabit sa action camera, vertical and horizontal. And meron din siya dito sa side for portrait shots. Meron siyang 1/4 inch thread din. Durability-wise, good siya. But the problem here is, over time, nakikita ko na nagwe-wear out siya and same yung issue niya dito sa isa ko. Kasi dalawa yung dumating sa akin before. Ang common na nagiging issue sa kanya is yung nagkakaroon siya ng cracks dito sa part na yan. So this is my first one and this is my other one, no? So same area. Yan, no? Nagkaroon siya ng cracks. I do not recommend na gamitin nyo to ng matagalan. Lalo na kung i-mount nyo yung action camera nyo sa motor. Very risky. Meron tayo ditong bago. Just not from Amagzin, pero same lang siya. Protective case for Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So this one is metal one. So hindi na siya hard plastic. Yung price na katumbas nito is dalawang hard plastic frame. Kung tutusin, nakadalawang sira na ako nan. Mas worth it kung ang bibilihin nyo na lang is ito, which is the durable one. And also, meron pa rin siyang vertical attachment dito, 1/4 inch thread screw, quick release mount for Insta360. Meron siya ditong mount. I don't know kung cold shoe or hot shoe, can attach your ring lights, your tofu lights, and your microphones. So, parang magamit to, pull lang natin yan. Then, lalagay natin si camera. Check natin kung it fits well. And then, sa part na to, hintayin nyo na may marinig kayong click sa dulo. So, ipe-press nyo to ng medyo madiin hanggang sa marinig nyo yung click. So, meron na tayong protective frame na metal cage for this Insta360 Ace Pro 2. You can now use this camera for portrait shots like this one, for example. You can now use your camera and you don't have to worry if you're going to mount it on your helmet kasi hindi siya madaling matanggal. It's not shaky. Mabigat siya, durable. Kapag nahulog yung action cam, meron tayong protection dito sa mga sides and we can still use the original quick release. And it also makes the camera much heavier. Ma-feel mo talaga yung pagka-premium quality niya. Ang maganda dito sa cage na to, unlike this previous one, is very accessible yung battery natin, yung removable battery ng camera natin. So, press muna natin and then pull natin tong part na to. And mabubuksan na natin yung battery compartment. So, pwede natin buksan to and makakapagpalit tayo ng batteries on the spot without even removing our camera sa loob ng metal frame or metal cage. Just put the batteries on, close the lid, and i-close lang ulit natin siya and you will hear a click kapag nag-lock na siya. Okay, so it's locked na. If you're interested with this metal cage, I'll just put the link down below and follow for more.